Today we'll be discussing trigonometry. 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 First of all, trigonometry was first used in the year 1614, and the meaning of trigonometry can be traced to the syllables of the word itself. Let's take a look at it. Now let's take a look at the word trigonometry. We have tri, we have go, no, but I put this gun together for a reason, and we have metric. Now let me explain each of this word each of the syllables in this word one after the other. We have tri, we have gon, we have metric. In Latin, the word tri means anything that is composed of three. Tri. Now, anything that has to do with three is tri in Latin word. We have mono, we have di, we have tri, tetra, penta, hexa, and the likes. So tri is three. So the same tri that we used in the Latin word is also used here to form the word trigonometry. Now let's go to the word gon in the syllables. Ordinarily we have about 4 syllables in this word, trigonometry. But because we want to make use of the word gon here, that is why I've separated gon from no, which has to be another syllable on its own. Gon, what is the meaning of gon? If we look at the explanation of the geometry, where we have angles and shapes, in triangle we have a shape that has to do with 3 sides and 3 angles. In quadrilaterals have shapes with 4 sides and 4 angles. Now, after quadrilaterals, there is a pattern that we have given to shapes with 5 angles and 5 sides, 6 angles and 6 sides, and the likes. Now, like 5 sides and 5 angles, we call it pentagon. For 6 sides and 6 angles, we call it hexagon. And likewise, heptagon, octagon, nonagon, decagon. Now, have we come across, or have we come to think of it once, that what is the meaning of the gon in this pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, and the likes? Now, the gon there is also a Latin word, which is our old Greek word that means an angle. Gon is related to the term angle. Gon in its own. So that is why we say pentagon is an angle, is a shape. You know, pent means 5, gon means angle, a shape with 5 angles. And automatically, when a shape has 5 angles, it therefore means it's going to have 5 sides. Now, what is the meaning of metric? Metric here is a mathematical word which is often used in mathematics as metric. Metric. What is a metric? Metric is a function. Is a function that assigns or associates every non-negative real number to a particular measure. And it is also a measure of distance. And you will see the word metric in most functional analysis, like metric space, metric topology, and the likes. So metric here means a measure of distance. Measure of distance. Measure of distance. That is the meaning of the word metric. Now, if we combine every word in this statement, or in this every syllable in this word together, will have trigonometry. So we have something that is composed of three. We have an angle, we have a measure of distance. And once we are talking about measure of distance, we are talking about non-negative real number. Now, what is trigonometry in its full sense? Trigonometry is a branch of mathematics which deals with the study of triangles, the study of trigonometric functions and their applications. Triangles, trigonometric functions and their applications. So that is what trigonometry actually is talking about. And before we conclude the explanation on what trigonometry is all about, we must tell us that trigonometry is often used especially for right-angled triangle, where we have a right-angled triangle, where we have the hypotenuse, because the angle lies here, we call this the adjacent, and because the angle is first in here, as we've structured the diagram, we call this the opposite. And from here we have what we call the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras is a mathematician and a philosopher who worked on a right-angled triangle. This is where this lesson will stop, and we are telling you that the next episode is coming soon. Is coming very soon. Thanks for watching.